All right, do you hear how loud my vacuum pump is? And you can see the exhaust fumes coming up there. That's refrigerant oil coming out. It's pulling a lot of air and it's not pulling. So something's leaking. That was put on. We got that put on. I'm gonna will the bet, especially if it was one of the younger guys and, you know, a little less experience. But this has the metal gaskets that are colored on the back. And if they are not properly installed, have possibly the bushing in them and or the right size and it's cocked a little bit. I wonder if that's where the leak is coming from. Let's see. Take that off. Take my hat off. All right, let's get under here and see what we find. Well, that looks pretty even, but do I not see something inside one of these? Okay, so where's the, right there. So there's the green gasket. There, that's one of the chrome color or gold or silver. Something I think might be wrong here. So let me go get some nitrogen. And nitrogen will tattletale on somebody and locate this. Let's see what happens.